Welcome and good morning to everyone. As you can see from the screen, we will talk about our product Autóstere. But before we begin, I would like to introduce my team first. I'm Norizzatul, this is Syuhadah, this is Anis, and this is Vivi. Our main topic for today is autism spectrum disorder. So what is actually autism spectrum disorder? Well, according to the National Institute of Health, autism spectrum disorder is a neurological and developmental disorder that affects how people interact with others, communicate, learn, and behave. Globally, autism has increased more than 58% since 2000, and just in Malaysia, it increases from 562 children to 589 children in 2021. In addition to that, we also went to Eskinanamtu and found out that there were 43 children diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder, and some of them have these problems. First, is they're passive. Second, when they're passive, they tend to daydream. And lastly, when they're daydreaming, they tend to lose awareness of their surroundings. Thus, we plan to solve these problems by achieving our objectives, which is first, to assist them to become more active. Second, is to aid them to be more aware of their surroundings. And lastly, is to help stimulate their sensory system. So how do we exactly get the idea to make our product? Well, it all started when our school had a blackout and the emergency lights went off. We were attracted to the lights and decided to relate it with autism spectrum disorder. Taking them all into consideration, we made a product called Autóstere. Autos comes from Greek, which means self, and Tere comes from Latin, which means potential. This product is designed in the shape of a watch and utilizes electrical energy produced from vibrations created when autistic children do hand clapping. It helps to stimulate their sensory system by capturing their attention towards the light. So these are the materials that we use. Actually, we did 3 types of methodology, which is in-depth interviews, observations, and survey. So first of all, we did an interview with Dr. Hamza, a counselor at one health department. We also interviewed with an expert, Dr. Ahmad Abdul Jalil, a child and adolescent expert in the Padang Psychiatric Hospital. We also interviewed Puan Asma, senior assistant of special education program, Puan Daya, teacher of the special education program, and Madam Leslie, lecturer of the special education program. Other than that, we interviewed Dr. Victor, senior lecturer of research and innovation, University Malaysia Sabah. And lastly, we interviewed Mr. Muhammad Arif, an underwater inspection engineer. So here's the proof of our interview. For our second methodology, we did an observation towards autistic children in SK914. So these are a few examples of our observation, and as you can see, most autistic children are in a passive state, for they tend to sit quietly on the chair. Other than that, they also tend to self-stimulate, which will lead them to self-injury. So these are a few examples. These are an experiment we did to determine if to be more active when they use Autóstere. So these are a few examples of our experiment, and as you can see from here, they are more active and more aware of the surroundings after using Autóstere. So as a result, their hand clapping has stability increase. And just as I said earlier, to become more active and cheerful, and then become more aware of the surrounding. So, our third methodology, we did a survey through Google Form, where we have received around 83 respondents, which is from parents, caregivers, and teachers of SK912. So, we have asked from these questions, around 44.6% of respondents have acquaintance with children with autism. We also asked, did this product have facilitated the caretakers, parents, and teachers of SK912? Yes. So around 94% agreed that these questions, that this product will have facilitated the parents, caretakers, and teachers of SK912. So can this product be marketed? Yes. So around 94% of respondents do agree that this product can be marketed. Lastly, if they have acquaintance with autism, would they buy this product? Yes. So around 91.6% do agree that this product, that the respondents would buy this product. So, from this data, this product potentially have high commercial value, where most of the respondents do agree that this product could be marketed at around 20 to 40 price range. Our product is also MyIPO verified, and this is our certificate as a proof. In conclusion, the teachers and children are keen about our product. This product could be a great substitute to reduce sensitivity and can potentially be in marketplace. Through this, awareness and knowledge can be spread to the society.
Of course, this product still needs some improvement for better use. So that's why in our future study, we plan to add other utilities to suit the wide variation in the type and severity of symptoms they experience, such as voice monitoring GPS and an alarm range. We too plan to redesign the outer design, such as providing different colors, patterns, and also the sizes.